Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So student, in this video we will gonna discuss about types of bar diagrams. Earlier we have discussed its two types, okay? Now third type is subdivided bar diagram. It is also known as differential bar diagram. Yes, these diagram represent total value and its parts in a set. Example, total sales of division and directions were written that in west direction how many sales I did in east, south and north, and these are the number of years and these are the number of sales I did. Okay, in 2009 in north area I did 200. Okay, in south 300, in east 400 and in west 450. Okay, so these are the bar diagrams which are showing number of sales during 2019-2030. Okay, in one bar diagram or a rectangular, four sets or four parts of value are there, so it is known as subdivided bar diagrams or differential bar diagram. Next, fourth one is deviation bar diagram. Yes, these diagram shows deviation, means in positive and in negative direction. It is on above baseline shows positive and positive bars, okay, and positive deviation, and below the line or below the bar it shows negative deviation. This pink one shows positive and this blue one shows negative. Okay, these bar diagram shows value or changes in the value or changes in the data according to time and location, whether it is going positive or whether they are going negative. In pink one shows positive one and blue one shows negative one. Okay, now last bar diagram is percentage bar diagram. Yes, it is known as percentage bar diagram, which shows us percentage or different parts of the values of a set in a percentage form. Example, in last diagram we shows the values in different parts, and these were also like that, but it shows in percentage. Okay, like category 1, category 2, 3, 4, how many tiles we sold. Okay, one series, second series, third series, I am representing them in different colors. Okay, category 1 45. Okay, 45% we sold blue tiles in third series, brown tiles 80% and green tiles 100%. Okay, these are the four different categories. The data which we shows in different parts but in the form of percentage, known as percentage bar diagram. Last one is pie or circular diagram. Okay, the data which we shows in various segment. Pie diagram is a circle divided into various segments showing the percentage value of series. This diagram does not show absolute value. Yes, it shows some percentage, like we assume this pie as 100. Okay, how much A item portion of A item is there, we represented in blue color, in pink color B item, in green color C item, and in and in orange color D item. Okay, these are the showing various segment or various parts of a series. Okay, we are divided them in different percentage. Hope you understand the diagrammatic presentation of data. Okay, if you have any query, student, please text me.